Hi and welcome to this edition of Out of the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is the TP-Link Tapo H500 smart home base. It's not going to be a big technical overview. We do have a how-to set this all up and get it working on our YouTube channel. So head on over there if you want to see that. But this is more to show you what you get in the box. The device is a base station. The idea you can have your video footage storage here on the device and not have to pay a subscription for the cloud. It is also a built-in siren or chime that you can use with the front doorbells. You can communicate through it if you've got one of the Tapo smart doorbells that are compatible with this as well. And it will support about 16 of the cameras at the same time. And a whole bunch of the smart environmental monitors that go with this device in the Tapo range as well. It doesn't support everything at this moment in time, so please do look at the firmware notes or the specifications to make sure your cameras are supported or your doorbell or whatever is supported as well before you just jump in and get this. But like I said, let's just jump in and show you what you get in the box. You're going to get a little conformity guide for the region that you're in and a quick start. Most of this is done through the Tapo app that you're going to download onto your smart device. This will just guide you in those initial configurations. You're going to get some screws. I'll show you where these are used in a minute. This is for your storage. It comes with 16 gig of inbuilt storage, but you can upgrade that up to 16 terabytes using an SSD drive or a standard 2.5-inch drive inside this as well. Then you're going to get probably about a 1 meter Ethernet cable, allow you to connect this directly to your router. This will connect via Wi-Fi to your router as well. But if you do have the opportunity, I would suggest that you use the Ethernet cable to give you a more stable connection. And you get your power pack. We're here in Australia, so this is our power pins on this side, and this is the one that's going to fit into the device. Now let's have a look at the device itself. So we've got our sounder here on this side, as we can see, and all of our key pieces of information. So what do we have? We have a USB-C port, so we can do charging from these, a USB-A port as well. We've got HDMI, so you can plug this directly into a monitor and show up to 4 cameras directly from this in real time, which is really useful. There is your Ethernet. This is only 100 meg, but that's all you probably need for your streaming, your reset, and your power in. Obviously, like I said, our siren chime speakers in here. We've also got cooling down at the bottom and these feet here. If we just spin this around here, we also have this drop down, the idea that you could place a mobile phone or an iPad or something like that in there and then have that as live streaming. We've placed a screen on there, plugged and powered in to make it like a small little NVR network video recorder. You can see that in one of our other videos. Then we can see we've got our power and indicators along here, microphones, options to talk and change the volume and everything else along the top there. Then on the sides we can see we've got vents on this side. This side's got a very clever, it just tells you to push your finger, it's a magnetic lid. When we take that off and lift this out, here is our HD tray. So this, like I said, takes a standard 2.5-inch drive. So there's one there, that's a 1 terabyte. That can then just be slipped neatly and clipped into place and screwed into place. And when you're done, then the cover just fits back on there. Get it the right way around. And that has now given you that in instant 1 terabyte of storage for your camera footage. This brings face recognition and obviously localized storage to your whole Tapo range. So hopefully that's been useful to see what is in the box. Head on over to our YouTube channel, plenty more box openings on network firewall, wireless and camera security, how-to guides, how to set up your H500 and get everything working there as well. So please do head on over there, subscribe and stay up to date.